Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're actually going to be doing a makeup look for New Year's Eve guys. This is just a very easy and simple makeup look for New Year's Eve, so it's actually easy to follow guys. Products I'll be using today guys are actually new to me. So all the products that I've used in today's video guys will be listed down the description box below guys. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty hauls, makeup and beauty tips and tricks, and much more. So if you guys wanted to learn and save, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to join me how I created this makeup look for New Year's Eve and wishing everyone a happy new year, please keep on watching. I'm going to be using some new products as well guys. So I've already prepped my skin. So the Stila One Step Prime. Got a white texture guys. Okay, I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. It actually feels moisturizing guys. My first time to use this primer. I'm going to be using the sponge, which is the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics perfecting sponge. It actually come in a pack when I purchased it. This is also come in the velvet finishing powder guys. So we're going to be using this today's video. So in this sponge pack, you actually get two sponge guys. Which actually got a flat side as well, so if you guys can see it, so that's going to be good for setting the under eyes. Nikkia Joy Cosmetics sponge, they're actually latex free and cruelty free. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and wet this brush, and I'll be back guys. Sponge actually really soft guys, so I'm really excited to use that sponge. The Maybelline Master Camo in the Apricot shade, just to color correct my dark circles guys. With the foundation, I'll be combining it with Fenty and with Nars Luminous foundation guys. Okay, the sponge feels really soft on the skin. Okay, I actually love both these foundations. So with the concealer, I'll be using the E.l.f 16-hour Camo concealer. In the flat side. I think my E.l.f concealers were running out guys. That's why I thought that I put a lot under my eyes. Using to set my under eyes and my T-zone area guys, and also the rest of my face, I'll be using the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. The texture, so I'm just gonna feel the texture. Ooh, it's actually very very fine and soft texture guys. So it's definitely did modify guys. Bronzer, I'll be using the Revlon Skin Lights. So I'll be using the Sigma tapered face brush, which is the 525. This brush here guys. This is actually my first time to use this bronzer from Revlon. So I believe this is actually no longer available in the US guys. So it's only available here in Australia and in New Zealand. Okay, it's got a little bit of shimmer guys. Contouring my nose, I'm using the Sigma Highlight Diffuser E71, which is like a small angle brush. Using the E.l.f blush in a bright pink, just this blush here, guys. Oh, this is actually a really nice shade, guys. I'll be using is the Sigma Power Blush Powder Blush, which is the F10. It's only got like a very subtle shade, but it's buildable, and it's actually matte. And the highlighter I'll be using today, this is also my first time to try this, is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, guys. They're loose highlighter in the shade Bomb. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh gosh, it's so pigmented, so I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it's pigmented, guys. So with the brows, guys, I'm gonna be lining my brow first using the Maybelline Ultra Slim. This is in the shade Deep Brown. Fill in my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And the brush I'll be using is this Pony Cosmetics. This is their eyebrow brush. My guys, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. This is actually the only primer that actually works on my oily eyelid, guys. Especially during summertime. I actually like using this primer. Set that primer using the translucent powder. Eyeshadow palette that we'll be using today, guys, is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. Actually bought this one for a while, guys. It is still available. So make sure that all the products I'll be using today is still available, guys. Unfortunately, except for that Revlon bronzer, it's actually no longer available in the US. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. They're actually a very beautiful shades. This eyeshadow palette, it actually does come in a different eye look. So guys, probably gonna go and try to do something similar to this, guys. Nice. This shade here called the Dirty Martini. Okay, I'm just pressing this on my inner corner. It's actually pigmented when applying it on your finger. So let's see if I can apply it on my finger. Okay, it's actually a little bit glittery, guys. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet this one with Fix Plus onto the inner corner lid and on the corner of my eyes to highlight. In the shade Last Call, and be applying this on the center of my lid. It's just look a little bit messy now, guys, but we're gonna go and do some blending later on. Shade BYOD, which is this one here, guys. Nice. So the one that I applied earlier was this one. Just to blend it onwards. So I'm taking in this shade here, guys, and I'm just gonna be applying this as close as possible to my brow bone. And that darker shade, and applying it really close to my lower lash line. So I only got a very minimal fallout, guys, and it's really good. Lower waterline, I'll be applying the NYX metallic eyeliner, and this is in the shade Silver. Top waterline, I'll be applying the Sigma. This is in the shade Wicked. Okay, on my lower lashes, I'll be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. Lips, be applying the Rimmel Lasting Finish in the shade Nude. And on top of that, I'll be using the Becca lipstick in the shade Sugar. Okay, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So wishing everyone a happy new year, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.